What's up, y'all? My name's Seamus McKeon, 21 years old. This is my whip. Pretty sweet bike, mostly Guerra and Ezra parts. Recently moved up from the midget bike to a 20.5, which is astronomical for me. But I like it. It's good. First off, got the Guerra frame, 20.5, super light, which is good for me because I'm not very buff, as you can see. I like the frame a lot. It's got a really small bottom bracket. It's cool for bottom bracket grinds and whatnot. Got this custom forest green spray paint on it. You go out up top, we got the Odyssey Chase Hawk grips, super comfy. Guerra bars, 8.5, Chicago'd out, cut down about an inch on each side. The classic, the Mosh wood grain stem. That thing is just gorgeous. Then, you got a whole bunch of spacers and an amber headset. Guerra forks, 3/8 of course, no peg bosses or anything over here. Then I also got my Ezra front wheel, which is amazing. Animal GLH tires, 2.25 front and back, can't go wrong. Staying in the streets. Seat, we got the Ezra pivotal. I like it, looks like a basketball, and you know I ball. Then we got a seat post here. Got just about a fist, which is adequate. Got the Ezra cranks, raw colorway, 48 spline, nice and light, never come loose, crank slide, no problem. Got the Eastern Crown plastic pedals, amber half link chain. We got the 28 tooth band buzzsaw. Shout out to my homie PK, and rest in peace to Gary and Ricky. Really hyped on the back wheel. Just put this free coaster on. It's a prototype for Ezra. It's super light, never slips, coasts like a dream, and it's silent so you can sneak up on your friends and steal their wallets. Like my bike. I'd like to thank my sponsors, Guerra, Ezra, The Trip, and WBMX for hooking it up, keeping me fresh. I'd like to thank my mechanic, Robbie Taylor, for keeping this rig beautiful. And I'd like to thank all my friends. Thank you guys for watching this. That's it.